Is it true, sir, what the diesels say? I don't know, Gordon. What do they say? That they've abolished steam, sir. Yes, Gordon, it is true. Then all my Doncaster brothers, they're all gone. Except one. Now if you go to work, please, Gordon. You've got a long day ahead of you.
I can't believe you steamers are still around. You're over 50 years old, and you're still in active service?
For your information, people love steam engines, which is why a lot of us have been preserved. I'm not in active service for British Railways anymore, but I'm in active service for my owners and fans.
I couldn't care less. Instead of blocking the line with your enthusiast trains, you should be in a museum like that recently built one at York.
Thanks for the suggestion, but if that museum doesn't want me, the North Western Railway on Sodor will have me. That's where my brother lives, and where I'm going later today.
Sodor? I've heard of that place. One of my friends now lives there. His name is Boko.
Did you say Boko? I know him. He's a nice fellow. Came to the railway in 1961. If you want to see him again, I can ask him tonight if you'd like to come over to the sheds here to say hello to you.
You do that? For me? Even though I wasn't nice to you just then?
Of course I would. I'm kind to everyone, regardless if they're kind to me or not. Besides, you would like to see Boko again, wouldn't you?
Yes, I would. Thank you.
You're all welcome.
You know, you're not as mean as the other diesels say.
Thank you. Do you want to be friends?
Sure. I'm Shunter.
Not to be rude, but don't you think that's a bit of a generic name for an engine? I've heard of a diesel that was called Diesel, but you're named after your job. Have you ever wanted a proper name?
Yeah, I guess so. I couldn't think of a good name, so I asked one of the Class 40 diesels yesterday. He said I should be called Shunter after what I do. It's a start, though. Better that being called a number.
I agree. Being called by a number makes an engine feel like they don't belong, or that they're just a machine designed to do one job. Would you like me to name you?
Yes, please.
What about Barrow?
No thanks. That's the name of this town.
Okay. What about something similar? How about Barry?
Yes, please. I'd like that very much. Thank you.
Barry. My relatives.
Are you okay, Flying Scotsman?
Oh, yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I've got to head to Sodor now to see my dear brother. Goodbye, Barry. I'll see you when I get back.
Okay then. Bye, Flying Scotsman.
Barry, my relatives.
Modernization. It's complete. With the steam engines gone from BR for over 10 years, the public have taken a liking to us diesels. We are revolutionary. Now we diesels need to modernize the Northwestern Railway. It won't be long until there's no railway left in the world using steam-powered traction. Ain't that right, Splodge? It's actually Splatter.
And Dodge.
I ain't got time to say both names. Anyway, new recruits. We're going to take over the Northwestern Railway, and we will succeed.
I heard you tried to do the exact same in 1961 with a lot more diesels, and according to everyone, you failed, Mr. I was just saying how fantastic your new plan is. No way it'll fail.
I'll be keeping a close eye on you, Dodge. If you say anything against me again, Pinchy here will have you for tea.
Yes, sir.
And besides, us three aren't going to be alone in this plan. Come forward.